Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys Gmail logout of all devices. So first of all, what you have to do is simply go to Gmail, and at the top right corner you can see your profile icon. Simply tap on that, and then what you have to do is tap on the manage your Google account option, and then scroll left, and then you can see an option called security. Simply tap on security, scroll at the last, and you can see your devices section. Simply tap on manage all devices in your devices section. Then an interface like this will show where all of your Gmail logins have been done in every devices. Simply tap on the device that you want to log out from. I'll just tap on this Windows one, and you can see an sign out option. After tapping on this sign out option, you can see an OK option like this, sign out. This will remove access to your Google account from Gmail. If you tap on sign out, it will be signed out, and after that what you have to do is tap on another device also like this, then again tap on sign out again, and after that log out of all the devices, and there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Comment down your thoughts, and until then, goodbye.